In this video, I show you how to add your Instagram link to your YouTube channel. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel. And once you've done that, make sure you go and leave a like as well. And just a quick note, this guide is going to work both on mobile and PC. Make sure you watch this video right until the end and let's go and get into this. I'm on my phone, but just a quick note, this guide is also going to work if you're on Android or an iPhone. It's going to work regardless. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go and jump into a browser. So on my phone, I personally use Google Chrome, so I'm going to go and click on Chrome just like so. Then once you're here, all we're going to do is simply go and search for Instagram. Now we're doing this in a browser simply because it's how we're going to do this guide. So we aren't using the Instagram app, we're using the Instagram web version. So of course you can follow this on a desktop as well. Now once you go and click on Instagram.com, it may go and open up your Instagram app. So to prevent this, we're going to go and temporarily delete our Instagram app and we can go and download it back in afterwards. So go and click remove app just like so. Then all we want to do is jump back into Google Chrome and go and click on Instagram.com and it's going to allow us to get us there. I'm just going to go and click accept all. Then all you want to do is go and click on login just like so. So I just logged in, so I'm going to go and click on not now for saving my information. And here we go, it's now taking us to our Instagram. So then all you want to do is come down to the bottom right with your profile picture. So click here. And then it's going to go and take us to our profile. Now all you want to do is simply go and click on this top bar, and then all you want to do is go and click on the top bar just like so, and boom, we've now got our profile URL. We need our profile URL because that is how we're going to add our Instagram link to our YouTube channel. So go and make sure that's highlighted and go and click copy, and then we can go and come off this and simply go and search for YouTube. So go and search for YouTube just like so and then wait for that to load. Now all you want to do is go and click on it. Now once again, if it goes and opens up the app, to go and prevent this, we need to go and delete the YouTube app temporarily once again. So I'm going to go and delete it just like so. And now let's go and open up Chrome once again, and then we're going to click on it again, and it's going to allow us to come to the YouTube website. Now as you can see, we're currently on the YouTube mobile version, so to go and get off of this, all we want to do is come down to the bottom right, so we've got these three dots. This is going to be a bit different in every browser. If you're using Safari on an iPhone, you need to go and click on the two A's in the search bar, and then you can go and click on that button as well. All you want to do is click on those three dots and scroll down, and you need to go and click on request desktop site. This is in most mobile browsers. Go and click request desktop site, and then here we are on the normal YouTube homepage. So then all you want to do is go to the top right with your profile picture. You need to go and scroll in a bit to click on it just like so, and then you want to go and click on your channel. So then it's going to go and take us to our channel just like so. We can zoom back out again. Now before you go and click on customize channel, if you have YouTube Studio installed on your phone, which I personally did, you need to go and delete that because when you go and click customize channel, it goes and opens up the Studio app. So you want to go and click on continue to Studio just like so, and then it's going to go and take us to our YouTube Studio, boom, in our channel customization. Then all you want to do is simply scroll up here and you want to simply go and click on basic info just here. And here we go. So as you can see, we've now got this option here for add links to sites you want to share with your viewers. Now remember, these links are going to appear in your YouTube banner, and as well as your YouTube banner, they're also going to appear in your about section. So click on add link just like so, and we can go and name this Instagram. And then I'm going to go and click on our URL, and we want to go and paste, which we copied from Instagram. So I'm going to go and paste it. Boom, that is our URL. And then all you want to do is simply come to the top up here and go and click on publish, just like so. It's going to load as you can see. And then if you scroll back down, we've now gone and got our link saved. If you want to delete it, go and click on the trash can and you can go and delete it. But let's go and click on view channel now. And then we're going to go and come to our channel. We'll go and click on request desktop site. And then it's going to go and load, and boom, as you can see in the top, it says Instagram. And if you go and click about section as well, we've also got Instagram under links as well. Now, if you want them to be smaller and not have the actual name, then that's going to go and happen once you add multiple links. You're just going to have the Instagram icon. But if you don't have any other links, you're going to have to see the whole Instagram word and the icon. But there we go, guys. That is how you can go and add links to your YouTube channel. If you found this video useful, please subscribe, leave a like for more, and peace.